So hello guys, I'm gonna teaching you to how to scope really fast. It's just loading. Look guys, if I'm done letting you see, look. Like guys, we're gonna need this item. Yo guys, first up, we need this. And the muzzle, we don't need anything. We need this magazine capacity, extended mag A, okay, and the stock is YKM combat stock. That's minus 10.0 adds time. The meaning of the adds time, that means your scoping is so fast. And this, we need this to shoot the players on the walls. And this laser, the adds time is minus 3.0 adds time, and the down one is 1.5 sprint to fire delay. That's all guys. I hope this helped. Bye.